Well, hello! This is Jimmyism Total Nerdy Channel back in StarMade for a little weapon lab, and I wanted to investigate this little thing with docked weapons, which I only have used on a few builds, but the weapon types I've used there was mostly cannon, and well, I got some new ideas and I basically want to show them off. So if you don't know what docked weapon it's like turrets, but not really. I'll show you basically what the difference is, you see. If I get into this computer here and get into flight mode, I can control this, but I can't aim. So I guess I need to get into the core to actually aim the cannon also. And I can't. Which I thought we would be able to do. But okay. We seem to only be able to shoot forward. This is strange and very misleading, because the NPC, the Bobby AI, can aim. You know, when you're in a ship, you can move around the cursor with your guns and aim. Like, let's see here. Yeah, this is a ship, I mean. So if I'd undock this, just if you're unsure what I mean, you know, this, where my cursor moves around and I can aim some more than I otherwise could. And that's what I'm talking about. That the NPC can do. So you just want to connect this up to turret, selected target, activate. And now I noted a weird thing that, I don't know, there is no way for me to tell if this is just something weird right now with my single player or something, or the current version of StarMade, or if this is, I don't know. But I select a target and it doesn't attack. However, it starts attacking, you know the pirate here. You see? This pirate here, it starts attacking that, even though I did set it to, attack selected target. But my selected target doesn't matter, and now it's ship again. Why is this a ship? Turret, okay. Oh, I guess maybe... I didn't notice. Something new for me too. So it automatically set as ship, even though whatever we do. I guess that also makes an explanation for why we can't set this at attack selected target, because it's a docked ship, not a turret. So if you have it a turret, it will be able to attack selected targets. Well, you see that this can basically aim quite well, even though it's a docked entity. Which, like seriously, if you have the choice of making a turret with very limited movability, you can just use the built in-game stuff of steering the weapons a little bit, and you can just have this. I mean, it works really well. So now I wonder how it will react towards missiles, if you have an anti-missile system for this. I don't know if anyone tested this. Then you at least could have, straightforward aimed point defense. But I guess that missiles often go in, arcs around it, so I guess that docked anti-missile systems should only be used if you absolutely have no choice. But I am curious, so we'll test this. We will test this, and some other weapons that I also wanted to test. So basically what we're gonna build some missiles too. And we're gonna test, lock-on, and so all of these stuff need a Bobby AI, naturally. We're gonna have 2 missile systems. This one is gonna be casual lock-on. This is gonna be fast-firing missiles. Well, we don't need so many. We don't need a big system that's already connected up. Like that. Connect that up. We can activate it. And yep, it has the power in aim or something. I don't really know what it's... if there is a target behind that, or if it simply just sucks at aiming. Because it does clearly aim upwards. Never mind. I hope it knows what it's doing, kind of ish. Oh well. Let's end this stuff and connect up the... oh, it's automatic. Wow. Connect that one up and activate the lock-on missile. Yep, now we have a lock-on missile and that thing will get wrecked in... I hope. Oh, here it comes. Will it hit? Will it miss? It's probably some bug with the sectors in my single player making nothing be able to hit. Excuse me. Well, this is anyways how the docked weapons basically work. And if you have lock-on missiles, especially slow reloading one that, you know, totally don't drain your power so you can still fly your ship using them, I would really recommend you put them on a docked entity and they will just automatically fire towards the target and you don't have to, you know, care about them. You can have your machine guns and you know, fast beams, your fast laser beams, and you can care about them. So you can basically, okay, now the camera is sad, but you can just fly around doing your stuff, you know, and let docked lock-on entities do their job. They don't have to be turrets. But yeah, there is actually no reason for having missile lock-on turrets and such if you have a, you know, small ship. So in those cases I would just, you know, let it be. Now this is interesting. I'm not sure if I have tried to connect up a ship to target missiles only. Holy shit. Now we have a machine gun, automatic machine gun. So we have assisting, aim assisting. Yeah, you can call this aim assisting if you want. Let it set to missiles. Yep, it still targets missiles. What? But it totally doesn't. Can we like deactivate this and activate it again? I think it very much looks like it's accidentally shooting down its own missiles. That's kind of sad. Huh. I want a weapon. I want a rocket launcher. Fuck. You don't have enough. It's so expensive. Goodbye. Oh well, sorry for putting you through that. I just get in this one and do the thing I should have done like totally from the beginning, like really. Like this, perfect. And to not wait for ages every time, we just connect up this thing too. Like that. Perfect. Power failure. Yeah, I totally didn't think about that. And thrusters. We have a microscopic ship tutorial. Alright. Oh, it takes ages for my power. I guess I kinda have big weapons. Okay. Well, wait. Ah, I see. Well, the Valkyrian is certainly fighting. This ship is not faction, which makes everything fire on it. Like, we have the Dvermak doing some good jobs too. But this one seems unmoved. Alright. Oh. It's set to missiles. It is set to missiles, but it doesn't work. So apparently, it seems like whatever settings you make, it doesn't work, really. That's kind of disturbing. Oh, it should start shooting. I think you have to have them docked to a turret. Just that will make it. Oh, might as well just remove this block and it will get disconnected. Now I can tell this, you're a ship, target missiles. Oh, it gets very sad. Can I tell this thing? Can I get into its madness? Oh yeah, you're not a fleet, you're a turret. No, it refuses to be a turret. Oh well. Interesting. Where's my ugly ship? Let's see if it targets turret when it's freelance. Or missiles. It's totally stupid. I guess as for this version of StarMade, it doesn't work. This might come to change. It's totally stupid. It was worth a try. We'll try to do the same thing, but with a docked turret. Basically one-axis turrets. Oh, and now they start attacking. That's too funny. Okay, so we just find the turret docking and try to do the same thing basically here. We haven't tried beam system. Let's try them out too. We have cannon. We don't have cannon. We only have parts of cannon. Here, more cannon parts. All right. So, we have a rail turret axis to get access to the turret commands, basically. And we're gonna make a little variety of basically one-dimensional turrets. Here we have a straightforward turret, and here we have a turret that's vertically Y movement axis only. Oh, to save time. Create docking. Just take the core forward there and spawn red dock. Create docking. Some people don't use this. I don't understand those people. I know some of those people, doesn't mean I understand them. Because create docking is a epic feature and everybody must love it. Unless it crashes, which I had lots of problems with in the shipyards in the early summer. So this is going to be a random beam turret. Damage beam computer. Just a beam like this. We'll see how it moves. So all the turrets are all the axes, but I figured maybe we don't need to do that. So this is a turret, and it targets anything. And oh my god. Oh my god. Great screenshot. This is disturbing. You're a ship. If you're a ship, will you change? No, you're a turret. Okay, we can't change you. Select a target. Well, at least now the selected target works because it's a turret. Okay, let's set these up. This is going to be an anti-missile turret. 2 cannon computers, cannon barrels. This one goes to that one. This one goes to this one. This is a turret and it's sorry, missiles. Right. Missiles. And that one tries to attack the missiles. Then we just make a regular beam turret thing here with the computer at a totally weird way, I guess. Maybe? No, this is probably correct. Oh shit, sorry. Wrong. They look so similar nowadays. Wait, what is this? Oh. And just, you know, regular stuff, any. Activate. Get into the ship here. And we just go to ship and file Rail System Collective. Activate all AI turrets. Okay, so if we select this one, our weird turret should target it because it's selected target, or maybe if I select this thing, will anyone attack? Yes, selected target finally works. And if I aim this thing, so even though it's a turret and we only have one axis, we can have some angled movements, but when we get a little bit over the line, is this okay? It's kind of okay. So if you get a little bit over the line, they all start to freak out. So for this reason, in the current version of StarMade, I would totally not recommend one-axis turrets. Then it's better to have them as ships instead, I think. Oh, well, you can have one-axis turret if your enemies will only be present at one dimension. Oh well. I wonder if I forgot this missile. I made a little missile thing. Where did I put it? There it is. Okay, let's check out the dock turret. Does it hit my missiles? it does try to hit something. Except it sucks. I need to confirm the settings of this thing. Missiles turret. Okay, the settings are fine. If I shoot in a direction it really should be able to fire on, it will try to shoot it down. So it kind of works. It just works badly. Like, if I shoot this in the face, it totally fails to shoot the missiles down. Like almost every time, which is kind of sad. I don't know what it's doing again. It seems to get... Okay, one-axis turrets is a horrible idea. Especially for AMS. Keep your turrets two-axised. However, docked weapons are totally awesome. Like, docked weapons is king. If you want to have a docked weapon helping you with assisting in aiming, locking on the missiles, and don't make you unfocused for the weapon system you're doing, I'd certainly will have docked missile lock-on systems on future medium-sized ships. So you can have a real powerful lock-on that just do the work automatically, while not being needed to have a enormous turret that have movements in all directions that the update of the Busse will have. Yep. Yeah, well, I believe that's basically that. By the way, while we're on the Busse, I've been thinking a little bit here. You see, we have red crystal armor now, but I am considering changing it to orange crystal armor. I'm not really sure what would look coolest. Well, if you have any opinions of the updated version of the Busse, please post it in the comments. And I hope you have enjoyed this little video of, well, StarMade weapon systems, how to make, or not really how to, well, you saw it, but basically testing of docked and one-axis turrets. Well, GTNC Total Nerdy Channel officially out. See you around. GTNC out. Signing out.